Are you winking at me?
Yeah.
What are you making, Wink? What are you making?
Those like two mouths.
What'd you do with two mouths?
Eat two things. That's funny.
What would you eat?
Two things.
Like what?
Like wrapper and salt.
Hey, what are you making in there?
What?
What are you making? Should you turn it off?
Why?
What's in there?